Hey everyone, welcome back to AWS Cast. This is Intermediate AWS. Today we're talking about VPCs with public and private subnets. As a quick overview, this is the architecture that we're going to be creating. Here we go. As you're looking at this diagram more closely, you're probably wondering what these numbers are with a slash and a number off after them, and you can tell that they're different for each subnet for each VPC. So what those are, that's called CIDR notation, which is defined as classless interdomain routing. So this is how we segregate network traffic. This is how we allocate IP addresses to a specific VPC and then to those underlying subnets. And one way we can control access is to assign um, a set of IP addresses that are non-routable to a private subnet. If you want to learn more about CIDR, go ahead and pause this video, head out to CIDR.xyz. Maybe that'll help. YouTube or Wikipedia are also great resources, as you already know.